Hello students, now in the accountancy, now in the admission of a partner, let's solve sum number 19. First of all, we read the whole sum that Tapu and Sonu are the partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 1:2. The balance sheet of their firm as on 31st to 3/16 was as under. Right? Okay. Now see, our balance sheet is given. In that, say capital of Tapu and Sonu is given, then profit and loss account is given. This is the profit and loss account that is given. Then these are the creditors are given and BDR is given, right? Okay. Then after, here on asset side goodwill, land and building, machinery, stock, debtors and cash. This is for the cash account, right? Now see this profit and loss account that is given. This profit and loss account, this we distribute in between old partners in their old ratio, because this is the reserve. This we can call as reserves, accumulated reserves profit, right? Now let's read the adjustment in that. See, they admitted Goli as a new partner on the following terms. Now, which are the terms that we will see? First of all, goodwill is valued at 54,000, right? Then after, BDR on debtors is to be maintained at 10,000. So, we tick mark on debtors. Do one tick mark on debtors. Then after, land and building is to be increased. Land and building is to be increased by 10%. So tick mark on land and building. Then after, book value of machinery is 25% more than its market value. So tick mark on machinery. Then after, Goli will bring his capital equal to 50% of net assets of the new firm. So here we have to find out Goli's capital, right, with the given net asset. This is the new point. Goli will bring his share of goodwill in cash. This we have to find out. The next 8th one, that is Tapu sacrifices 1/3 of his profit share and Sonu sacrifices 1/6 share for Goli. Tapu sacrifices 1/3 of his share. ये सेंटेंस का मीनिंग बहुत डीप है. दैट टप्पू सेक्रीफाइसेस 1/3 ऑफ हीज प्रॉफिट शेयर. मतलब 1/3 तो वो देगा ही देगा, साथ में 1/3 उसके प्रॉफिट में से भी देगा, राइट. एंड सोनू सेक्रीफाइसेस ओनली 1/6. तो सोनू सिर्फ 1/6 ही देगी ओवरऑल. तो टप्पू गिव्स 1/3 प्लस 1/3 फ्रॉम हिज प्रॉफिट, राइट. वो खुद 1/3 भी देगा, प्रॉफिट में से भी 1/3 देगा. Now after that, prepare necessary accounts and balance sheet. Also determine new P&L ratio of all the three partners. New P&L ratio is also given to find out, right? Now first of all, we start recording capital. See, this 2 lakhs capital of Tapu and 3 lakhs capital of Sonu, right? This we record. Then after, we record cash balance of cash account, which is given in the old balance sheet. हम ये लिखेंगे. Then after, we start solving that sacrificing ratio, goodwill and distribution of goodwill, right? Okay. Now see here, first of all we find out sacrificing ratio. Now see here, Tapu sacrifices, see the working. Tapu sacrifices, see, 1/3 from his share and 1/3 additionally. So Tapu sacrifices 1/9. Then after Sonu sacrifices 1 by 6. Sonu only sacrifices 1 by 6. So their sacrificing ratio becomes, see this, 1 by 9 is to 1 by 3 comes 2 is to 3, that is their sacrificing ratio. Right? Now we find out share of Goli. Right? Now we require share. दोनों ये जो टप्पू एंड सोनू, ये जो दोनों ये 1 by 9 एंड 1 by 6 ये जो सेक्रीफाइस कर रहे हैं, दैट इज़ द होल शेयर फॉर द गोली. सो शेयर ऑफ गोली बिकम्स सेक्रीफाइस ऑफ टप्पू प्लस सेक्रीफाइस ऑफ गोली. सो 1 by 9 प्लस 1 by 6 कम्स 15/54. उसको और शॉर्टर कर दिया तो 5 by, इट बिकम्स 5 by 18. राइट? Now we find out distribution of goodwill. Now share of goodwill of Goli. Now first of all firm's goodwill, total goodwill 54,000 is given. उसमें से Goli's share, that is 5 by 18. So Goli brings 15,000 as goodwill, as cash in the form of goodwill into the business, right? Okay. Now this 15,000 we distribute in between the old partners in their sacrificing ratio. So Tapu and Sonu, 15,000 multiplied by 2 by 5, 15,000 multiplied by 3 by 5. So Tapu sacrifice is 6,000 and Sonu sacrifice is 9,000. This is 9,000, right? तो इसकी हम एंट्री करें. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल गुडविल का पॉइंट सॉल्व करते ही इसकी एंट्री पहले लेजर में लिख ही देने की. Now the first entry is 15,000. Goli brings cash into the goodwill. So premium for goodwill account, cash account debit side, because एंट्री इसी तरह से पड़ेगी, कैश अकाउंट डेबिट टू प्रीमियम फॉर गुडविल अकाउंट क्रेडिट. तो उसका हमने पोस्टिंग किया है. राइट? सेकंड एंट्री वी पास फॉर द डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन ऑफ गुडविल, दिस वन बाय प्रीमियम फॉर गुडविल अकाउंट 6,000 9,000. Right, on partners capital account. So these are the two basic entries for the goodwill. Goodwill का पॉइंट सॉल्व करते ही गुडविल की एंट्री पहले लेजर में पोस्ट कर देनी थी. Now we post all these asset side and liability side into the new balance sheet. Now see this new balance sheet. Creditors, we have creditors recorded as it is. Now first of all recorded land and building 3 lakhs, leave one line and draw the line. Then after recorded machinery, leave one line and draw the line. Then after stock 40,000, leave one line and draw the line for the adjustment. Then after write down debtors 80,000, inner side leave one line and draw the line. Right? Now see on the liability side profit and loss account is given. So that profit and loss account, that is the profit and loss account that is distributed in between old partners in their old ratio, and that is to be recorded profit and loss account credit side. Okay, now we start solving adjustments, right? So first of all this adjustment that is over. Now second adjustment, this one, BDR on debtors is to be maintained at 10,000, right? So now we solve this. First effect, less from the debtors. First effect, we less from the debtors 10,000. So outer side comes 70,000. Second effect goes into the, second effect goes to the